Yeah, it's thick. I've been through a lot, but I'm still feeling. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you. Look at Gabe, y'all. I was trying to wash him up before he sat down with these waffles, but he like, no, I'm eating first before I get dressed. Hi guys, did you miss me? It's me, Fanny. I feel like it's been forever since I started vlogging. I look a hot mess right now, I know. But good morning. I'm about to jump in the shower. I wanted to get them dressed first, but Haley's still sleeping. Gabe wants to eat first, so I'm gonna use that as a distraction, let him eat, and I'm about to get in the shower.
Coming through.
Look who's awake. Haley's up. And her peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Stop taking her food. Eat your waffles. She didn't want the waffles, so she got her little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. everybody is ready. We're about to take a walk. I think probably just to Family Dollar real fast to get them some snacks because we are completely out of snacks in this house. She ready to go. Okay, let me just take the garbage. Let's take the garbage out so we can take it out while we're going outside. Haley, say hi. She thinks it's that hot outside that she needs this jacket. We don't need that jacket, big girl. And this boy over here just swinging my bra around. Can I have a bra? Thank you. It's not a jump rope. Y'all ready to go outside? Outside? Outside. Okay, I'm ready. I'm about to start cooking. Like, I literally filmed nothing outside when I was outside. I should have because it's so nice outside. Yes. But I ended up taking a nap. I ended up taking a nap as soon as I came back. I don't know. I like to take naps. We walked to Family Dollar and then they told my son we're closed for an hour. Come back. Nah. So we ended up just walking around. I need to take these braids out so bad. But I will. Daddy. I ended up taking a nap. Gabe ended up taking a nap in the swing and woke up still in the swing. Because, you know, once your kids fall asleep, wherever they at and they not in danger, let them be. Because if you wake them up, they're not going to go back to sleep. And then there's Haley, of course. While they're doing them and are quiet, I'm about to start cooking. Because I am hungry. I realized all I had to eat today was them waffles earlier. Huh? Bathroom? Bathroom? Okay. She has to go to the bathroom. Go ahead, go to the bathroom. Go, 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 go. Potty training has been going so well. We are 95% complete, which I'm so proud of. I say 95% because she does say bathroom when she has to go. She does know how to get on the toilet. Sometimes she might need help, depends on how high or how low the toilet seat is. She does know how to get tissue and flush the toilet. So that's why I say 95%. Because kids do have accidents. Like, they do forget sometimes. Even if they're in school, they're playing too much, they may have an accident. So I say 95%. Because we're not fully speaking in sentences like, I have to go to the bathroom. It's just bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. So we're at 95%. Which I'm proud of. Now I just need to figure out how to get Gabe. Because that'll save me so much money on pull-ups and training underwear. But I'm going to start him on a potty. I don't think it's going to be a success, but we're going to start eventually. Y'all see my face? Like, it's just breaking out. Be careful. It's good? Uh-oh. Pick up. It's okay. I'm going to clean it up. And then we got this man over here sitting on this. He's satisfied. It's good? All right. I'm about to make me some food because I'm hungry. But Haley got the first plate because she was in the kitchen and kept yelling, hungry, hungry, hungry. And wanted to keep taste testing it every 5 minutes. But Gabe's just had cereal, so he's not hungry. Yo, my face is driving me crazy. But I'm about to make me a plate because I'm hungry and I deserve a plate. I just sat here and made that food. Look how good it turned out. So good.